How to host a website on Cloudflare for free. First, open your web browser and go to the official Cloudflare website. Sign into your Cloudflare account, and from the dashboard, click Create App under the Ship Something New section. Now, you'll see several options. Since we want to upload an existing website, click Upload Your Static Files. Next, enter a worker name for your website. Now, upload your website files. You can upload your files directly or use a zip file. Make sure your website includes an index.html file, as this will be used as your main web page. After uploading the files, click Deploy. Wait a few moments while Cloudflare publishes your website. Once the deployment is complete, Cloudflare will provide you with a free pages.dev URL. If you already own a custom domain, you can also connect it to your Cloudflare Pages project from the project settings. That's how you can host your website on Cloudflare for free without purchasing separate web hosting. If this video helped you, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful web hosting tutorials.